Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Toppers World. Today I have taken a task that is known as which paragraph contains the given information, and I have taken book called Cambridge 14 Academic, and the test number is 3. Questions are 14 to 20. They are related to which paragraph contains the following information. Questions are 14 to 20. So let's us quickly read these questions. Mention of factors driving a renewed interest. Renewed mean afresh, something new again. Renewed interest in medicinal compounds. Second is how recent technological advances have made insect research easier. The focus point is recent technological advances have made insect research easier. Examples of animals which use medicinal substances from nature. So examples, the keyword is here example. Reason why it is challenging to use insects in drug research. Reasons why it is difficult to use insects in drug research. The next one is reference to how interest in drug research may benefit wildlife. So reference to how interest in drug research, how drug research will benefit wildlife. A reason, this is about a reason why nature-based medicines fell out of favor for a period. For a period of time, nature-based medicines were ignored. So its reason was explained in that paragraph. An example of an insect-derived medicine in use at the moment. So again this paragraph is having an example of a kind of medicine that is taken from the insect that is being used. So let's read the paragraphs and find out the which paragraph contains the following information. So watch this video till end because this is going to be very interesting. You will find this video very informative. So let's do. So what we have to do here, I'm going to read the first para. So heading is saving bugs to find new drugs. Bugs means insects. So how can we make new drugs? By extracting certain kind of substances from the insects that can be used later on as a medicine. So here the first, more drugs than you might think are derived from are inspired by compounds found in living things. So there are many medicines that can be derived or compounds can be derived from the living things. Looking at the nature for soothing and curing of our ailments mean diseases, is nothing new. This is not a new thing that we are looking to nature for the solution of some problems related to our illness. So here you only have to look at other primates such as capuchin monkeys who rub themselves with toxin oozing millipedes to deter mosquitoes, or the chimpanzees who use noxious forest plants. So here what is we have to focus this area, and we find that there are certain examples of animals are given who use the substances or compounds excreted from other insects to solve some health related issues. Like for example, capuchin monkey rub themselves with toxin oozing millipedes to deter mosquitoes, and this is using chimpanzee use noxious forest plant to rid themselves of intestinal parasites. So these are the examples of the animals that are already using certain medicines taken from the nature. So our first answer we got. So here if you see at number 16, examples of animals which use medicinal substances from nature. The examples of animals, the two examples of animals were given over there in the paragraph A, which we have just read. Okay, so our answer for question number 16 is A. Now we are going to paragraph B. What we have to do here, for such kind of questions we have to read paragraph and then come back to list of information. Next is pharmaceutical science and chemistry built on these ancient foundations and perfected the extraction, characterization, modification and testing of these natural products. Then for a while, यहाँ पे आप focus करें, focus over here. Then for a while, modern pharmaceutical science moved its focus away from nature and into the laboratory. So what happened then? Modern pharmaceutical science, which were first focused on the nature, they made some developments, and later on, for some period of time, they shifted their attention towards laboratory. So for a while, so we got our clue from here, and we will go to the lists now. So a reason why nature-based medicine fell out of favor for a period. So for a while, that is a clear synonym of for a period. So this is going to be our answer for paragraph B. Paragraph B matched with 19. Now we are moving to paragraph C. Laboratory-based drug discovery has achieved varying levels of success, something which has now prompted the development of new approaches, focusing once again on natural products. With the ability to, okay, we are going to get, I think, from the first 3 lines. Laboratory-based drug discovery has achieved a varying level of success. So after that, now it has prompted us, something which has now prompted means motivated the development of new approaches, focusing once again on natural products. So focus is now once again on natural products. Now look at the statement number 14. Mention of factors deriving renewed interest. Renewed mean a fresh interest in natural medicinal compounds. So this is our answer for paragraph C. It shows that our interest in natural way of finding medicinal compounds revived again. For some period of time that was ignored, but this paragraph shows that the interest has generated once again in the natural medicines. Paragraph E. From the tiny proportion of insects that have been investigated, several promising compounds have been identified. So many beneficial compounds have been identified from the insects. For example, alloferon, an antimicrobial compound produced by blowfly. Example has been given over here that how scientists successfully able to find out a compound that they extracted from or derived from an insect. So example is given over here of one such substance. Now look at the statement 20th. An example of an insect derived medicine in use at the moment. So this compound that scientists have already found in an insect and they are using, we have found that in paragraph E, and its name was alloferon. So answer for this A statement is paragraph E. The next is, why is it that insects have received relatively little attention in bioprospecting? So why insects didn't get much attention from the scientists? Firstly, there are so many insects that without some manner of targeted approach, investigating this huge variety of species is daunting task. So these lines shows that finding substances, compounds or medicines derived from insects is difficult task. It's a very daunting task, means hard job, because there are large number of species of insects. So scientists do not know how to focus on a particular species. So the answer is number F is for 17. Reasons why it is challenging to use insects in drug research. Why it is difficult? What kind of difficulties are there to use insects to find out new drugs? So answer was that the number of species of insects is very large in number. Paragraph G does not contain any information, so I am not reading that because I have already solved that earlier. So I am not going to read paragraph G. I am straightforward going to paragraph H. Although natural history knowledge points us in the right direction, it does not solve the problems associated with obtaining useful compounds from insects. Fortunately, it is now possible to snip out. It is now possible. So this wording you have to focus. It is now possible to snip out stretches of insects' DNA that carry the codes for the interesting compounds. So, and insert them into cells lines that allow larger quantities to be produced. So what does it say over here? That some advancements have taken place in the field of science and technology, which made it possible now to extract DNA code from the insects. So look at information sentence 15. How recent technological advances have made insect research easier. So snip out means taken out. So recent means it is possible now. It is possible now is paraphrased as recent. So the answer is H for this sentence. Now we have left with one reference to how interest in drug research may benefit wildlife. So it clearly shows that this sentence clearly shows that the paragraph will having information like this research will help the whole wildlife. The last is I. With every bit of wilderness that disappears, wilderness means wildlife is disappearing, we deprive ourselves of potential medicines. If a certain species disappear, then we will not have chances of getting some medicinal compounds extracted from their bodies. So as much as I would love to help develop a groundbreaking insect-derived medicine, my main motivation for looking at the insect in this way is conservation. So this is the word conservation. Conservation means saving or protecting any life. That is called conservation. So 18 is I. Reference to how interest in drug research may benefit wildlife. So conservation of wildlife means saving species from getting extinct or disappear. This reference has been used given in the last paragraph, that how the research in medicines that are taken from the nature will actually help the nature, actually help the wildlife. So in this way I have done this task, and the way of doing this is we have to read first of all we have to read the information sentences that we have to find out. Then later on we will go from one paragraph to other paragraph to find out the keywords or some parallel wording that might relate with the sentences. So this is only a simple approach. There are no hidden secrets of doing this. I hope that you understood the way I taught you how to find out which paragraph contains the given information. Thank you for watching this video.